Hey project managers, welcome to another edition of AIPM Pathshala. If you don't know what is Pathshala, Pathshala means school in Hindi. Today I would like to tell you one thing. Do not do any AI automation if you are not saving 10 hours per week per PM, 20% increase in project capacity, and 300% ROI in year one. Do not do any automation. You are good without it. We do automation either to save effort and cost or to improve quality and productivity. However, how do you know which workflows will provide you the maximum ROI? Which are easy wins, which will bring long-term value, and which you can ignore? With this question in mind, I developed PM Workflow Automation Audit Framework. This is a 3-step process. Step 1, discovery using a self-assessment questionnaire. Step 2, you will create the PM automation opportunity matrix to identify your tasks which are quick wins, strategy transformation, efficiency boosters, and which you can avoid or deprioritize using 4-quadrant matrix. And step 3, this is an optional step. After step 2, you will have your opportunity matrix using which you can start automating your quick wins and strategy transformations and efficiency boosters. However, if you are not comfortable writing your own prompt system, you can take help from here. So without any ado, let's jump into today's session.
Hey project managers, welcome to PM Workflow Automation Audit Framework. Your main automation objective is to either save effort and cost, at least 10 plus hours per week per PM, or to improve quality and productivity, 20% increased project capacity. However, how do you identify which workflows you need to prioritize for maximizing your ROI? Which are your easy wins, which are your long-term value generating workflows, and which workflows you can ignore. This is a 3-step audit framework. The first step here is the discovery. Here you can see in step 1, you will fill the self-assessment questionnaire. This is the questionnaire to capture your critical workflows and the frequency in which they are done, or the time it takes to complete such tasks. You can adjust the questionnaire as per your context, your project requirement. The questionnaire has 8 parts and it covers the first 2 hours of start of the week, which is Monday morning routine, and how much time you are spending on those. The second part of the questionnaire covers the tool usage, what kind of tools you are using, how many times a day. And the third part of the questionnaire covers the weekly time breakdown. On a weekly basis, how much time you are spending on different activities. The fourth part is the repetitive tasks, the tasks which you are doing you perform on a repetitive basis, how many times per week. And the fifth part tries to capture the manual processes. Like copy paste, manually creating status report, you calculate some project matrices, you change team members, so those kind of activities. The sixth part in the questionnaire tries to capture the communication overhead, the number of status meetings per week, average meeting preparation time, and things like that. And the seventh part asks you if you have an AI assistant, which are the tasks you would readily delegate to the AI assistant. And the 8th part is the error-prone activities. So which tasks are most likely to generate defects and errors? So these are like a few of the examples are like budget calculations, schedule updates, resource allocation, and so on and so forth. Once you complete the assessment sheet, upload it to ChatGPT and paste the following prompt to get the PM automation opportunity matrix data. I prefer to upload a PDF file instead of Excel directly because I've seen ChatGPT can parse PDFs better than Excel. So this is the prompt. I'll put this in the link below. And this is how it is. Here you can see I have already uploaded the self-assessment PDF, and this is the prompt, and it generates this structured table with all the tasks. It's effort score. This is a qualitative score between 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest effort and 10 being the highest effort, and the business impact by automating this task. And in the roadmap, what would be the category of this workflow? Whether it's a quick win, it's an efficiency booster, strategic transformation, or you can ignore, avoid, and deprioritize. So this is step 1. So now let's go back to step 2. Here we have created this table with all the tasks and its effort score, its business impact score. Just note that all these columns, the business impact and the effort score, these are numeric fields, so ensure that you don't enter any text into this, otherwise your metrics, the opportunity metrics, won't generate correctly. So once you copy paste this value from the ChatGPT into the Excel template which I have provided, it will generate this matrix. So this matrix will give the quick wins, the strategic transformation, the ones which has highest impact, value impact, and which takes longer. These are the long-term value generating tasks. So this you plan for long-term improvements. The quick wins are the ones which can be implemented quickly and will bring more value to the project. And the efficiency boosters are the ones which take less effort to implement and also brings in less value, but they in turn boost efficiency. And the ones, the fourth quadrant is the avoid and deprioritize, which you can ignore because these are high effort automation tasks and which in turn brings very low value to the project. So this completes step 2. Step 3, as I mentioned, is a optional step. So once you have your automation opportunity matrix table, convert the Excel table to an PDF and upload to ChatGPT. Along with that, you upload this PM AI automation blueprint to map your tasks with the blueprint tasks. And once you have that mapping, and you can use this prompt to map. Once you have this mapping, the mapping will look something like this. Then you can use my blueprint again to map each task to the predefined optimized prompts, and you can directly copy paste these prompts and use it. So as I mentioned earlier, this is an optional step. If you are already comfortable writing your own prompt system, optimized prompt systems, you can go ahead and optimize your opportunity matrix tasks. And if you need some help writing these prompts, you can get them in my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook, or my Udemy course, AI-powered Project Management Mastery. This is the Project Management Self-Assessment Template. Here you will fill all the hours and the values. These are the unit of values mentioned. So here you mention whether it's yes, no, whether you are doing this kind of manual tasks, how many times in a week, hours per week, hours, minutes. So all units are mentioned here, and here you will put a free text which all tasks you would like to delegate. This is the prompt which you will use to generate the opportunity matrix, and this is the opportunity matrix table. You will copy this table from the ChatGPT. So this is a sample value I have entered here. You can delete this and enter your values, and don't change anything else in the Excel, otherwise your matrix, opportunity matrix, won't be generated. And once you fill this table, as I mentioned, these columns, these two columns are numeric columns, and it should be only 1, 5 and 10, based on which your opportunity matrix will be created. And based on this, you can create your automation roadmap. And this is the project management AI automation blueprint, and all the mapped prompts for each of these key automatable tasks you can find in my book, A Project Manager's Daily AI Handbook, and my Udemy course, AI-powered Project Management Mastery. However, these are optional, as I mentioned. If you are already comfortable writing prompts, optimized prompt system, you can go ahead and very well start automating.
I have left the link to all the documents and worksheets I have used in this session below. Don't forget to like and follow for more AI PM hacks. See you next Wednesday. Until then, stay AI savvy, stay ahead.